Therefore, we do not become discouraged.
We do not become.
Asiphoxeki.
We do not become.
Asibi.
Asibi.
Hey nakudala.
Siala. We do not become.
Asibi.
Because we have already become.
Ngoba
We
sesibe.
can't become something else.
Angeke saba okunye futhi.
God has already started something in us.
uNkulunkulu vele sekaqalile okuthile kithi.
There's no room for something else.
Alikho elinye igumbi lokokunye.
We go on.
Saqhubeka.
That's chapter 5. They
Izenzo
beat
zesihlanu.
them, they beat them.
Abashayi
They went out
babashayile.
rejoicing.
Bavuka bathokozile, begiya,
They were happy,
bathokozile,
full of joy.
bagcwele intokozo.
But outwardly,
Kodwa ngaphandle
they looked discouraging.
bebabukeka
Because they had stripes, they
Babe
had marks.
banemivimbi.
Looking at them, you'd say,
Babheka nje uthi yo.
mina ngifundile ukushaya kabuhlungu so. Yet, they are courageous.
Bayigqugquzelekile.
They are still going on with God.
Baqhubeka
But
noNkulunkulu.
check with you,
Bheka-ke ngawe.
who's busy commenting.
Lokukhuluma
God is not with you.
uNkulunkulu akekho.
God is with the one who's got stripes. God
uNkulunkulu
is with the one who's got pain. God is with the one who's been left.
uNkulunkulu nalona mshiwe.
But looking at yourself, you can't see where God is.
Ah,
All
simbona.
you see is discouragement.
Into esiyibonayo nje ukudangala nophoxeka.
Because you were not able to look at the inward.
Ngoba azange ukwazi ukubheka ngaphakathi.
You looked at the outside
Ubheke nje ngaphandle.
and you saw stripes.
Wabona imivimbi.
You saw people beaten.
Wabona abantu bashayiwe.
But they were rejoicing.
Kodwa bona bebebhiyoza.
If you are spiritless, you are going to say, yo,
Ungenamoya.
bashayiwe labantu, yo, ngoba you are spiritless.
Ngoba unawo
Hayi
umoya.
lo mzalwane udlule ezinkingeni, you are spiritless.
Awunamoya.
You are spiritless.
Hayi awunawo umoya.
Hayi mina, lo, hayi le nkinga zakhe, you are spiritless.
Awunawo umoya.
Courageous person
Kodwa umuntu
able
onogqozi
to look at someone in pain
uyakwazi ukumbona umuntu
and
osebuhlungwini.
say, Lord Jesus,
Athi Nkosi
I can
uJesu.
see you there.
Ngiyabona lapha.
I can see your presence.
Ngiyabona
I
ukukhona
can
lapha.
see you leading this person.
Ngiyambona umhola
I can see you walking with this person.
Ngiyabona uhamba
I'm
nalomuntu.
not seeing the furnace,
Angiboni
but I see something up high. I see them dancing inside the fire,
Ngiyababona phakathi
but
komlilo
they are inside the
badala.
furnace. Maseka duparita, tinghardis perrachardo. I don't see the furnace,
Angiboni isithando
but I see people
kodwa ngibona abantu.
dancing. There's a footman.
Ngomuntu wesine.
There's a footman
Unendoda
inside the
esine.
fire.
Phakathi
There's a
komlilo.
footman
Unendoda
inside the
esine.
pain.
Phakathi kobuhlungu.
Footman. Mashataku. Sipakunde perete. Zeste kura sigariata. Kurbar kartijada. You need to understand this. Let discouragement leave you today. Let discouragement leave your house today.
Kodwa makushidle akho namhlanje.
Be courageous.
Iba nogosu.
Be courageous.
Iba nogosu.
Shakrakunda bariyanda. Come on. You need to get this.
Fanele uqondisise
Grab
lokho.
this and be refreshed
Bamba lokho bese uyavuseleleka.
and be restored
Bese uyabuyiswa.
and go on.
Bese
Where
uyaqhubekela
you
phambili.
failed, go on.
La uhluleke
Where you could not make it, go on.
La ungazange ukhona khona.
Be courageous.
Uqhubekela phambili banogosu.
Be courageous.
Banogosu.
Be courageous.
Banogosu.
Go on.
Qhubekela phambili.
Go on.
Qhubekela phambili.
There's no time for fear. Let's try to read there. There's no time
Asikho
to
isikhathi
stop.
sokuma.
There's no time
Asikho
to
isikhathi
pull back.
sokubuyela emuva.
There's no time
Asikho
for a
isikhathi
handbrake.
sokuthi ume.
Go on.
Qhubekela phambili.
Go on.
Qhubekela
Go
phambili.
on.
Qhubekela phambili.
by what you are going through.
ungavinjwa yiloko odlula kikho
Let not pain stop you.
izinhlungu
Let not pain
mazingakuphili,
discourage you.
izinhlungu mazingakudangalisi
Go on.
qhubekela phambili.
Let's go.
Verse 16.
Uh-huh.
Therefore,
We
we do not become discouraged,
do not become discouraged.
Asidangali,
Uh-huh.
utterly spiritless,
Utterly spiritless.
singabi nomoya,
Uh-huh.
exhausted,
Exhausted.
asikhathali.
When you are exhausted, what will
Uma
you
ngabe
do?
sowukhathele uzoyenzani?
You are exhausted, you are tired.
Ukhathele.
Meaning you can't do anything.
Kusho ukuthi akukho
You are
khona
tired.
ukwenza, sowukhathele.
Let's go.
exhausted, and wearied out.
And weary out.
Phelelwa ngamandla.
You're exhausted. You are weary
Ukhathele.
out. Meaning
Uthi
you
uphelelwa
cannot
ngamandla.
Huh?
And wearied out through fear.
Hey, through what? Whoa. Meaning you didn't get tired.
Kusho ukuthi azange ukhathale.
But when fear comes,
Kodwa mase kuze
You
kwesaba,
weary out.
waphelelwa ngamandla.
now you worry
Manje
out.
sowuphelelwa ngamandla.
You are not tired. You are not exhausted.
Ungakhathalanga.
But fear
Kodwa ukwesaba
made you tired.
kwenza ukuthi ulahle ithawula uphelelwe ngamandla.
Meaning Satan knows
Kusho ukuthi usathane uyazi
how to drain you.
ukuthi ukuvoma kanjani.
Fear does not come
Ukwesaba kuze.
for mahalaja. It's going to exhaust. What? What?
Yini?
What?
Yini?
What?
Yini?
Let's confront fear.
Masibhekane
Let's
nokwesaba.
confront discouragement.
Masibhekane nokudangala.
What?
Yini?
What?
Yini?
Ile ndoda ekhulumayo wena.
Yeah.
Ile
Why?
ndoda
It's
ekhulumayo.
touching deep.
Thinta ekujuleni.
It's restoring you. It's changing your story.
Iyafundisa,
You're going to go on after today.
Uzoqhubekela
You're going to
phambili
try
namhlanje.
again.
Uzophinda
You're
uzame
going to
futhi.
try again.
Uzophinda uzame futhi.
What?
Yini?
Bayekele. Bayekele. Sasa.
Mbayekele. Why? Why?
Ekeke. Yanginyanyisa.
Why?
Disgusting.
Kungani?
Alright mabaso.
They are
What
okay
right,
like
Nabaso?
this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why? Why?
Alright mabaso.
Why?
Hayi, ngiyaqhubeka next vele.
Ngiyaqhubeka next.
Yabo manzi.
Hey, bam.
Everything will stand still. Nothing will continue.
Ngiyaqhubeka usaba wena. Yini into ozoyenza usaba wena? Yini
What,
into
what
ozoyenza?
can they
Step for
do if they are
Jesus.
fearful?
Shayela nje sizana.
Yini ozoyenza usaba? You are exhausted.
Ukhathele.
You have wearied out
Sophelelwe ngamandla.
through fear.
Ngenxa yokwesaba.
Through fear.
Ngenxa yokwesaba.
Meaning the purpose of Satan
Ukusho ukuthi injongo kaSathane
is to give you fear
ukuthi kunikeze
so that you can be
ukwesaba.
tired.
Ukuze uzokhathala.
So that you can be. I'm
Ukuze
tired of this.
uzokhathala.
I'm
Usengathekile
ngidiniwe
lokhu,
ngizam ngidiniwe. Fear has won. Fear has conquered.
Kwesaba sokukunqobile.
Huh? Why would God come to Joshua
Kungani uNkulunkulu eza kuJoshua
and say, be courageous,
bese athi iba noqhozi.
be strong?
Qina.
He doesn't just say be strong, he says be
Akazi qina nje kuphela kodwa
courageous.
uthi iba noqhozi.
Be courageous.
Iba
So
noqhozi.
courage is needed
Okusho ukuthi uqhozi
to every
liyafuneka.
child of God.
Kuwo wonke umntana kaNkulunkulu.
Don't lose courage.
Ungalahlekelwa
You will
ithemba.
be challenged.
Uzobuyela
You'll be
uzophuza
tested,
inselelo.
but don't lose
uzobhinywa.
courage.
Kodwa ungalahlekelwa ithemba.
Don't lose what?
ungalahlekelwa uqhozi.
Courage. What?
Yini?
Listen.
We are
Sanana
fighting.
lokhonza uNkulunkulu.
We are fighting her
Why are you
worshiping
saying
God.
Why?
Siyabona.
We can see.
Siyabona ukuthi hayi bangaqhubeka lapho.
Ah.
Inkosi kakhulu.
We can see that if they can continue, they'll be
Okay,
dangerous.
read on. Listen to this. Qhubeka ufunde. Lalela. Izwa la. Izwa la.
Therefore,
Therefore,
we do
Okay.
not become discouraged,
we do not become discouraged.
Asidani.
utterly spiritless,
Utterly spiritless.
Siphelelwe umoya.
exhausted,
Exhausted.
Khathali.
and wearied out through fear.
And wearied out through fear.
Asiphelelwe amandla ngenxa yokwesaba.
Though our outer man is progressively decaying and wasting away,
Hey. Your outer man is
Umuntu
decaying,
wakhona
wasting
ngaphandle
away.
Uyabola,
Don't
uyaphela.
focus on him.
Ungabheki yena.
Look from within.
Kodwa bheka ngaphakathi.
Don't put your courage on your flesh.
Ungabeki ugqozi lakhe enyameni yakho.
Courageous from within.
Iba nogqozi kusuka ngaphakathi.
Go on.
Qhubekela phambili.
Try again.
Zama
Push
futhi.
again.
Zama futhi.
Pray again.
Khuleka
Fast
futhi.
again.
Zila futhi.
Don't be discouraged.
Ungaphelelwa ngamandla.
Vula inhliziyo futhi ujabulela ukusindiswa futhi again. Why did you allow fear to enter your heart?
Ungani uvumela ukwesaba kungene enhlizweni yakho?
Now say enjoy insindiso manje. Kungene enhlizweni yakho. Meaning you have allowed something to enter your
Ukuthi
heart.
uvumela into ethile ukuthi ingene phakathi
Because
enhlizweni yakho.
outwardly you were going through
Ngoba
something.
ngaphandle budlule entweni
You
ethile.
ended up doubting your God.
Wagcina songabazi uNkulunkulu wakho.
You became spiritless.
Wabe sesophelela umoya.
You doubted your God.
Wangabazi uNkulunkulu
You
wakho.
became spiritless.
Angasabi nomoya.
Awukholwa. Akusilula. Akusilula.
It's not easy.
Akusilula.
It's not easy.
Akusilula. Akusilula.
Silula.
It's not easy.
Silula. Phinda ukholwe futhi.
So believe again.
Wawudanele.
I'm going to drop this. You must catch it. Ne? Meditate upon it.
Izindle ngakho.
If you have joy
Uma ngabe unentokozo
and you maintain your joy,
futhi ugcina intokozo yakho inakekela.
do you know the only thing you can do now in Togozo now? The name rejoice comes from choice.
Igama
It means you
lokujabula.
had choice, you lost choice, you rejoiced again. You revived your joy.
Uphinde wayibuyisa futhi intokozo yakho.
Rejoice. It means you are coming from joy.
Kusho ukuthi ubuye
And you went through
ekujabuleni.
something, you lost joy.
Wadlula kokuthize,
You don't go out your joy, you
awuphumi entokazini yakho
Re-register.
phinda ujabule. Phinda futhi.
re-register your joy.
Uphinda ubuyise intokozo
Rejoice.
yakho. Uyaphinda uyajabula.
You rejoice
Ubuyele
because
entokozweni
you
yakho.
come from joy.
Ngoba ubuya ekujabuleni.
So you don't lose courage. You
Awuphelelwa ngamandla.
rejoice.
Kodwa ubuyiswa intokozo yakho.
So many are not able to do that.
Abaningi abakhona ukukwenza lokho.
Rejoicing.
Ukujabula.
Because they were never ever in joy.
Ngoba azange vele babe sentokozweni.
So they can't rejoice.
Abakhona
When they go through problem,
mabadlula
they
enkingeni
fall.
bayawa.
They never knew what is joy.
Abakase bayazi intokozo.
They only knew happiness.
Bebazi injabulo.
There's no happiness.
Akukho ukuphinde
There's
ujabule.
unhappy.
Kodwa kunokuthi udangale.
There's unhappiness.
Kunokuthi udangale uphelelwe
But
intokozo.
joy has
Kodwa
rejoice.
intokozo kunokuthi uphinde ujabule futhi.
Joy has got rejoice.
Intokozo kunokuthi
Happiness has got
uyajabulela futhi.
unhappiness.
Kodwa injabule inokuthi uyophelelwa injabulo yakho.
There's no room to
Alikho igumbi lokuthi ungaphindela. Kodwa kunokuthi ubuyele emuva.
If you become
Uma ngabe
it means you are
sekuphela.
uphela lento beyiyo uyayikhumula, you are undressing
Shuthi yayikhumula.
to dress something else.
Ukuthi ugqoke okunye futhi.